Fiber Life, one of the product of Lifestyles Canada. So, Fiber Life prevent and control diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. So, Fiber Life is a unique soluble plant fiber with the highest viscosity of any fiber tested. It absorbs water quickly and continuously, and it is easy as ABC. A is for appetite control, B is for blood sugar control, and C is for cholesterol control. So, appetite control, it helps regulate appetite to achieve and maintain healthy weight. So, sa mga gustong mag-lose weight, take Fiber Life. So, lower the number of calories absorbed from meal. Kasi once uminom tayo ng Fiber Life, feeling natin busog na tayo. So, yan. So, prevent carbohydrates from being stored in the body as fat. So, sa blood sugar naman, supports and regulate blood sugar levels by lowering the glycemic index of a meal. Lower levels of C-reactive protein and reduce risk of developing the type 2 diabetes. So, yan ang Fiber Life. So, for the cholesterol control, it helps lower the levels of cholesterol, reduce risk of heart and cardiovascular disease. Kasi once mataas ang cholesterol natin, naglilid po siya ng heart disease. So, act like a sponge by binding cholesterol and toxins in the food before it absorbs. So, once nag-take tayo ng Fiber Life, kailangan natin uminom ng maraming water. Eliminates body toxin. So, yan ang Fiber Life of Lifestyles. Ang SRP po nito is 1,570. Meron po kaming discounts, 20% to 40%. So, PM nyo lang ako for more details.